My first breath where the muddy Brazos spills into the Gulf. Mexico, where the skyline is covered by chemical plants. Put bread on the table of the working man. Well, the working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for kids and wife. Giving a little of his soul every day, working overtime to keep the wolves away. Barely 13 when the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave. It happened on a French-owned tanker ship, spilling poison into Galveston Bay. Well, the liquid fight fell